Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to construct a Instagram feed search kind of a application in JavaScript. So it can search both profile images and profile videos as well. So here you need to provide the username of Instagram person. So let me just provide any kind of username. Let's suppose Privacy Media. So this is the Instagram username, and if you click search you will see that it will display the profile picture. This is a biography, and if I click this tag here it will redirect to the uh, Instagram profile. You can see that here you can see all the photos. It does provide some photograph. You can see that if you drag down it display 8 photographs per default. You can change this inside your application. So there is a property which is items property. So let me just provide items, and here you can just change this to 25. So now it will display 25 photographs per. So now if I enter it once again, and now you will see that it will be 4, 8 and 12. So it will only display 12 photographs. So I have provided this 25. Let me just see the options. So there is the option which can control. So you can see that items is there, and let me take some other profiles. So in this only 8 photographs will be present. So if I take here this username, you can take any username of your choice and click on search, and you will see that this is 4, 8 and 12. So maximum it can display 12 images. You can see that you can click this. So it is only applicable for public profiles. You can't uh, do this for private. It is not applicable. So now if I search for a private profile, so if I click search, so now you will see that it will only display the profile picture and this biography, and this you can see that this profile is private, so you can't see the photographs. So in this application we will be building this. So for the plugin I am using Instagram feed.js plugin. So this is a link here of the plugin. I have given this link in the description of the video, so you can always check out the GitHub repository. And here this is a file which is jquery.instagram.min.js. Click on the raw version and copy all that text here, and copy this and make a new file which is Instagram feed.js and copy paste all the code. And now I will delete all the code and construct this application from scratch. So if I refresh it, nothing is there. So first of all, what you want to do, inside this, give it a heading which is Instagram feed search app in JavaScript, and we can just align this heading inside. Give it a style attribute, text align to center. So now if I refresh it, you will see a heading which is this. And now after this we will have a simple form where we can input the username. So here we will give it a ID, my form, so that we can target it in jQuery. So inside this form we will have a single input field. This will be input type of text, and we will give it a ID of username, and the placeholder will be enter username, and this should be required like this. After this we will have a button input type of submit, and the value will be search. That's it. This is the form is complete, and one other attribute which is autocomplete to off. So this will not be having suggestions. So now in order to use this we also need to include jQuery CDN. So just go to w3schools.com, grab the CDN like this. After that we also need to include the plugin file which is Instagram feed.js. So just include this. Now we will write the custom JavaScript file. So make a script tag, and the very first thing that we will do, we will write the document.ready function of jQuery. So inside this we will first of all get the reference on the form. We have given this ID which is my form, and we will attach the submit event handler passing this callback function. So when the form is successfully submitted, this function will automatically execute holding this event object. And first of all, we need to execute e.prevent_default. So it will be preventing the auto submission of the form. And now we will get the username that the user enters by extracting the value using the val method like this. So this will get the username. Now we just need to call the plugin. So the plugin is pretty simple. Let me just show you the documentation. So here it is the plugin. First of all, we need to construct a div where it will hold the images for us. So let me just copy this. So just after the form, you can have this div. Give it an ID of Instagram feed demo. You can give any ID of your choice. And now we need to initialize our plugin. So this is a plugin. Dollar dot, for this jQuery is required, dollar dot Instagram feed, and this takes some options. So a set of curly brackets. So the options are pretty simple. First of all, there is a username option, and I will pass the username that the user entered like this. And the second option is the container where you need to put these images. So there is a container property, and here I will give the ID that the user has provided. So here you need to press the ID. So in order to write the ID, we will use the hash symbol and then the ID name, which is Instagram feed dash demo. And with that, our application is almost complete. And now if I search for any kind of username, which is Trevor C Media, click on search, you will see that this will display all the images. And there are some options to play with. So you can look at the documentation. So you can see that if you want to display the Instagram videos as well, so there is a specific option for that, display biography also, display profile also. So I can just copy paste these options. So after this, you can have this option, display profile. It will display the profile also, and if you just make it to true, so it will display the videos as well. So it depends upon the profile. If the profile contains videos, it will also display the videos as well. So now if I run this again, let's suppose take a different profile, and now you can see that. So in this way, guys, you can make a simple Instagram feed application without using the Instagram API. Just use this plugin of jQuery, and you can search for images of Instagram users, public users only, not private. So thanks very much for watching this video, and please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you in the next video.